Today I'm honored to receive the prestigious Golden Visa of UAE. My heartfelt thanks to UAE government and to my friend Devagu, Chairman and Managing Director of this tourism. Without him, this would not happen. I'm grateful to him. Shukran.
टाइगर का हुक्म